Hey guys, good morning. So today we're at Alligator Creek, so just south of Townsville, heading towards Ayr. Again, we've had decent rainfall overnight. This is the first lookout area, and it's the first time I've been here, but it is spectacular. Easy access, good parking. I'll get the drone up shortly and enjoy the footage. Thanks guys. At the Cockatoo Creek and Alligator Creek Falls walking trails. So there's quite some well-marked trails here actually. So let's go and hike up, see if we can find these waterfalls. This is a beautiful hiking track. I mean, where can you hike? You got the hiking trail on the right hand side, these beautiful rapids, little waterfalls on the left hand side. It just Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm just backtracking a little bit. I thought I'd hit record, but I didn't. But check out this big fella. How nice is that? That is old. And yeah, I was just saying that the track, you know, it's a little bit wet in some spots, but given the amount of rain that we had last night, it's really good. And I just can't get over to these whitewater rapids on the left-hand side. Like, this is a great hiking trail. Yep, I can't believe I haven't done this before. And just, what, 15, 20 minutes at the most outside of Townsville, heading towards there. Beautiful. Righto guys, so unfortunately this is as far as I can go because it's rained so much. Yeah, I just can't cross it. I just had another hiking buddy, David. He went through and he's a big fella, but he come back, so I'm not going to attempt it now. But I'll definitely have to come back here when the water is not so deep, and we'll get to the top. Righto guys. See ya. Hey guys, yeah, so that was awesome. I loved Alligator Creek. Yeah, it was great. It's a shame I couldn't get right to the top, but.